Maintenance of engine oil filter. Drain the used engine oil and check whether its color is normal and whether it has impurity, by which the incipient fault will be found. After the oil is drained, the drain plug should be cleaned and tightened. Coat a little lubricant on the gaskets of 2 new filters when fastening, and only by hand. Remove the engine oil filter, need to be replaced. Fill new engine oil up to the upper limit of dipstick. To prevent engine starting without lubricant, press start button when exhaust brake is switched on or when high pressure oil pump is located at cutoff position. After the engine operating at idle speed for a moment, restart the engine and let it operate at low speed. Observe whether the engine oil filter has any leakage. After the engine stopped for 5 minutes, check oil level and add oil to the upper limit of dipstick if necessary. The engine oil should be changed when it is in thermal condition. The filter elements of 2 related to oil filters should be replaced at the same time.